Hi, this is Oscar, and this is how to add, change, or delete teachers from the app in your school. So your username here for the CMS and your password are the same as your login details for the app. So your school email and your password, if you change it in the app or indeed in the CMS here, it will change for both. So it's the same as the app. You log in and you'll come to this page here. This is your profile. You're unlikely to need to use this page. Where you want to go is over here on the left. Click school. And then here you can see your teachers. And if I want to add a new teacher, I go to the bottom here and you're going to put in the new teacher's email address, Oliver Wilson at Oakfields. And you put their email address for both fields, username and email. Then here, first name, just put Oliver and Wilson, and then you click create. And then this person will get the normal welcome email to this email address, telling them how to get access to the app, i.e. to download it, to put in their school email in username, click forgot password, and they'll get their password. And they're in. I do realize that there's a password provided here, but I advise that you don't give that to them because they'll likely forget it. It's better for them to just kind of follow the normal procedure, click forgot password, and then they'll put in a password that they will remember. Secondly, if you want to delete a teacher, that's fairly easy. You just press delete over here. If you want to edit a teacher, for example, if someone's name changes, you can't actually change their name in their email here. So what you need to do is if someone's name changes or they've got a new email address, delete them and add them as new. Edit is not actually terribly useful. The only thing you can do is sort of to change someone's password. But as I mentioned, you shouldn't really be doing that for them. It's better if they do it themselves because they'll remember their own password. I think that's it. Finally, just to say, if you don't know who has the admin access to this CMS, get in touch with us and we can add a new person for you as well. I hope that's all clear. Get in touch with any questions.